Hello! After watching this video, you will know how to use Grasshopper to create Rhino blocks that have sub-objects on different layers, and then I will show you how you can change the object line type of those sub-objects with Grasshopper. We will be using the object line type component found in the Linetypes Objects section. Let's get to examples. Here's an overview of the script. It can be divided to three parts. First we create the objects and assign their parameters. Then we create the block definition, and then we create the block instance. Everything is pushed to content cache. Let's open Rhino. A set of curves has been internalized to this curve container. I'm using query model object line types to get the dots line type, and I am assigning it to the object with object line type and drafting attributes components. This is then connected to the model object component. There are 5 curves, so each of them gets a different layer. We will come back to this in a bit. There are now 5 curve objects with different layers and shared drafting attributes connected to the model block definition's objects input. I am giving a name to the block definition, and now these 5 curves form one block definition called curve block. I am then using the block definition to create a block instance with the model block instance component. I am then connecting the block instance output to another model object component and assigning different drafting attributes to the block instance. Let's go back to the beginning of the script and I will explain you why I have done this. Now the object line type component has a very limited use because you can simply connect the line type directly to the drafting attributes component and it works just fine. But if you want to change the source from where the object gets its line type, then you need the object line type component. I will reconnect this to the drafting attributes. Currently we have selected the source to be by object. This means that the object will use the line type that is assigned to the object itself. So in this case, we assign the dots line type to the curve object. Now, if we change this to be by layer, we can see that the line type changes to continuous. The object is now getting its line type from the layer, and it has been defined here. If I change the value list again and select by parent, now the curves are getting their line type from their parent object. In this case, the parent object is this block instance that we assigned the dashed line type to. Can now go back to the start, and with the number slider here we can edit the line type scale. That is all for now. If you learned something, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next. Thank you for watching.